If you are the kind of person who does most of your sales on WhatsApp, then this is for you. You would have most likely replied a message, texted someone, done a voice call, done a video call, or done one or two things on WhatsApp, and you are constantly wondering how can you triple your sales with this same WhatsApp. Yes, there are ways for you to improve or boost your sales on WhatsApp by doing the same actions you take, but in a much more different and strategic way. Meaning you still message people, you still post, you still do whatever thing, but in a much more strategic way. And this will bring me to the points of how to make your more sales on WhatsApp. This is TFI, the Finance Intel, and basically I help show you ways on how to make money online, how to use online tools or online platforms and make it profitable for you. Now, the first on the list, if you want to be able to make more sales than you are making on WhatsApp, number one, share your WhatsApp link. Have a shareable WhatsApp link. People on social media normally have a very short span of attention. For example, I can be going through a product and I see someone who is selling ring lights, and I know I need ring lights, and I just have that urge in me to buy. If I can get the immediate feedback at that point in time, I could release my 30k or 35k for ring lights. But if the process begins to drag, it weighs off and it reduces the energy the person wants to use in purchasing your product. So when you tell somebody, message me on WhatsApp, and you drop your number, you are telling the person to write your number out, type it on their phone, save it, go to WhatsApp, go to their contact, refresh their contact, look for the name they saved you as before they message you. That is a whole long process. So the best way is to have a shareable WhatsApp link. You can easily create a shareable WhatsApp link on online. You can just type it on Google, how to create a shareable WhatsApp link, if you are using the actual WhatsApp. But if you have a WhatsApp business, it already has that link there where you share that link to people. You can easily put a short message, so once people click on that link, there's already a short message that helps them to say what they need in your DM. And when you have your WhatsApp link, it is for you to share. The link is for sharing, and you can also impute it in other of your social media platforms, like for example, for places where you want them to message you directly on WhatsApp. Probably if you sell on TikTok and you want them to message you directly on WhatsApp, you can put your WhatsApp link in your bio. Another way to make more sales on WhatsApp is by giving value. You already have contacts on your WhatsApp, and let's say, for example, I am a makeup artist. The truth is, people are not thinking about you every blessed day. So sometimes they can even know that you do makeup, but it's not in their subconscious. So when you continually put out content there, for example, how to groom your brows, a short clip, you put it out on your status, how to maintain your makeup so that it lasts all day and it doesn't break out, just little values, and you see that people would look forward to viewing your status. The moment people have something to do, you are the first person that comes to their mind, because they are always seeing value in your status. And as you are putting in value, do not forget to market yourself. Marketing yourself is the first phase of sales. You have to put yourself out there. You have to put your product out there, what you do. Have you ever had something ringing in your head all day, probably a random song that you do not know before? You do not know the song, and at that point in time you cannot even sing the song. But the moment you go home and probably you are having your bath, all of a sudden the rhythm of that song starts coming to your head. That is what marketing does to the subconscious of your potential customers. Number 3, reviews. I always tell people that the easiest way to get a customer is through the referral of a customer. So if a customer is satisfied with your product, the customer will most likely talk about your product to someone else. Having the reviews of the person and putting it out there helps put a sense of trust. And it is the same reason why when you go to Google Play Store and you want to download an app, the first thing I will go to is the ratings and the reviews. So when I check what people have to say about the app, if it is good enough, I download. If it is not good, I move on. That is the essence of review. Number 4, WhatsApp business. I already mentioned this earlier. If you are a business person selling on WhatsApp, or most of your sales you are doing it on WhatsApp, I suggest you get WhatsApp business, because it saves you a whole lot of stress. In your WhatsApp business, you already have it's designed in a way that you already have a catalog. People can go there and see where your shop is located. In your WhatsApp business, your business mail is there. In your WhatsApp business, you have your other social media platforms that you can attach. So there's a whole lot that WhatsApp business offers. Now, number 5 is business chats ethics. What are the ethics you put in place? This has to do with your responsiveness. I already told you that people on social media have a short span of attention. So the slimmer your response rate is, the slimmer your sales are, and that's on period. Yes. So if someone says, "Hi, I see you sell ring lights. How much do you sell 18 inches of ring lights?" and you are online, it now takes you 6 hours before you reply that person, you have almost lost that customer. And it only takes maybe urgency that the person really needs it for him to buy. Once your responsiveness, your response rate increases, you will notice a significant spike in your sales on WhatsApp. Also, try to maintain trust, or try to build trust. This is the reason why you will sell quicker. You will sell quicker to someone who has patronized you before and is okay with your services, than to someone who doesn't know you from Adams, because that person who has patronized you has gained trust from you, therefore will buy something from you again because of that trust. When you are chatting, you chat like a business person. Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. You are talking to customers, and your customers should be held in high esteem. So these are business ethics that you should put in place. And when you do that, you know, there's a normal saying that they say little foxes spoil the vine. You will not know that it's the reason of that small attitude you display that is driving off customers. But when you fix it, you would see an amazing growth in it. Number 6, save customers' contacts. And I'm not saying save potential customers' contact, because obviously if you are doing sales and you are doing you are running ads, doing campaigns, you receive a lot of leads and a whole lot of people in your DM asking. But I'm saying people who have successfully bought from you, save their contacts, because it helps them to keep you in their subconscious, such that whenever next they need your services or need your product, you will be still the person that will come to their mind to use. So save your customers' contact, and this is why giving value and continuous marketing of your products on WhatsApp will help you to remain in the subconscious of your customers. And those customers are the ones that will refer you. Now, bonus tips. Here are what not to do for on your WhatsApp as a business person. Now I've given you some tips on what to do to boost your sales. Now here are some things that you shouldn't do as a business person on WhatsApp. Number one, do not do this VCF contacts. I've tried it and I'm speaking from experience. Those gain 1,000 contacts, everybody will join a group. Oh yeah, drop your number, download this thing, everybody contact to be saved on your phone. You will have zero, in fact there is -2% result. The reason why is because these people did not come to meet you for a purpose. Therefore you are not even relevant to them. Second of all, most persons going there, they all want their status to be viewed. Everybody is doing one thing or the other. Either this one is doing music, this one is doing knitting, this one is doing sewing. You do not know any of them. You just save several random persons contact. Imagine saving random people you don't know, random numbers on your phone, putting it on your phone, and they are viewing your status. They don't know you and they won't relate with you. I for one, I would rather prefer I have 100 views and I have at least 5 sales every day than to have 1,000 views and I'm still having I almost don't have sales. On most days I don't have sales. So do not do that. If you are a fan of that, thinking, oh, the more contacts I get, the more chances of sales I will have, you are wasting your time. If it has worked for you, fine, maybe it is just luck, but I must tell you it doesn't work. Number 2, removing your red receipts. You are a business person, you remove that blue tick, you leave it as just double tick, so someone will not know that you have read the message. Or your is your case, because there is no way trust can be built. Let's take you as a person. If you are a customer and you want to buy something from someone for the very first time, you go to the person's DM, you ask how much, the person replies you, but you don't see a blue tick. You will not know, but you will not exactly tell the person that you turn off your red receipt. No, but you will not buy. Why? Because you feel even if you send proof of payment, person can deny you and say he has not seen it, he has not done this, he has not read it, he has not. It reduces your trust for a customer. Having no profile pic or blocking your profile pic from outside people, because in WhatsApp business, I don't know if it's available on normal WhatsApp, there's a feature to show your profile picture to only your contacts or nobody or everybody. As a business person, your profile pic should be everybody, particularly if your profile pic depicts what you do. For example, as a makeup artist, you tie gele with a very outstanding makeup on your profile pic and you are hiding it. Who are you hiding it from? Or you are a photographer, you take yourself with you have a studio pic of you holding a camera showing that you are a photographer, a clean studio pic, and you are hiding it. Why? So do not do that. It is wrong and it reduces trust. Also, when you are chatting, don't chat short form words. How are you doing? How's it? How are you? Good AM, good PM. It is absolutely unprofessional and unethical. So type fully good morning. Then ensure your words are understandable and quick to, it should be understandable and readable. So these are just a few points that I've mentioned, and I hope you found this very insightful and helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to put on your notification so you know when next I drop a new content, and do not forget to subscribe and join the big family. This is TFI, the Finance Intel. Stay tuned.